What is up, YouTube land? Welcome to Thirsty Desert Drones. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get into FPV, which is fixed wing mode.
Self-checking.
So stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get into our settings and we're going to go to our camera. Okay, now that we're in camera, we go down to where it says gimbal. Press gimbal, and now you go up to the very top where it says gimbal mode. You'll see stabilized. So if you press that, FPV comes up. You press FPV, now you're in FPV mode. It's just that simple. Then we'll go back out of here into the flight control. Okay, so now we're going to go into ludicrous mode, and you have to turn obstacle avoidance off when you are flying in ludicrous mode, which is fine. So when you go into ludicrous mode, it shows 34 miles an hour. If you tap that, 34 mile an hour, 45 mile an hour comes up, which some people don't know about. Tap that, now you're flying ludicrous mode, 45 miles an hour in FPV mode. So I'll leave with a little video of my flight. Okay, so now you'll get to see how FPV combined with ludicrous mode works, how it acts, and how the flight characteristics are. I thank you guys for joining me on this short video. If you like stuff like this and you want more stuff like this, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave you with a little flight footage. You have a peaceful day, and I will see you in the next one.